Hey, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to view the transaction history on Xero. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Xero, you can start a 30-day free trial. Just provide all the information, and by following the on-screen instructions, you are all set. Now, once you are here, viewing transaction history on Xero provides several benefits for businesses because it would allow you to gain a comprehensive view of your financial activities. Now, by reviewing transaction details, businesses can track income, expenses, and other financial movements, providing valuable insights into their financial health. Now, by comparing transactions recorded in Xero with bank statements or other financial records, businesses can identify discrepancies and ensure that their accounting records match their actual financial transactions. Now, for us to be able to view the transaction history, all we have to do is go to the accounting option. Or if not here, there's two ways to access that. You go here in Advanced Accounting and then click on Advanced and click on looking for organization settings. All right. Now, you should be able to have an option here where it says history. All right. If it's not here, click for looking for advanced settings. It should be down right here. Now, the next option that you have is go to the left side panel of your dashboard, click on your profile, and click on the settings. And from here, you need to search for the history and notes. Now, if it's not appearing to your dashboard, that means you are on limited trial. All you have to do is click on this option, choose a plan to buy, so you can have an access to the history and notes, right? Because the free account is limited. Now, once you are here, all you have to do is choose a plan that suits your needs, budgets, and goal. You can start with the early plan for the $15 a month. You can start for the growing plan, which is $40, $42, or the established plan, which is $78 a month. All right. Then after doing so, you would be able to gain access to the history and notes. Now, once you've done that, as you can see, when you go to the advanced accounting, you would have the option for the history and notes. Keep in mind that accessing transaction history simplifies tax preparation for businesses by reviewing income and expense transactions recorded in Xero. And that means it serves as an audit trail, providing a record of all financial transactions processed in Xero. Businesses can use transaction history here to trace the flow of funds, verify the accuracy of financial records, and provide evidence in case of audits and inquiries. Now, from here, if you see the list of activities and transactions, you can review all the details like specific periods or categories. Now, you as an owner can identify trends, you can measure performance against financial goals, and make data-driven decisions to drive business growth. All right. Now, if you need further help, just click on the question mark option here in the upper right corner. And from here, you can search for any articles that would provide you on how to view the transaction history, notes, and Xero. As you can see, there's already an answer here in the search option. The result is the number one. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.